students, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. In last class, we seen first two stanza in the poem. Shall we recall the lines? Are you fond of colors? Apples in a dish, roses in a painted bowl, gold scales on a fish, colors of the sunset, red of early morn, with the shepherd's warning heralding a storm. Let's get into today's class. Do you like rainbow, children? Yes, we all like colorful rainbow, isn't it? All are love rainbow. Rainbow looks very beautiful. It is an arc of colors in the sky. It can be seen in the sunlight after the rain. How many colors are there in a rainbow? Let's see. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. These colors are shortly called Wedgier. V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange and R for red. Now, shall we see the poem lines, children? Colors in a rainbow arched across the sky, all too quickly fading as they catch the eye. In these four lines, the poet says, rainbow looks colorful as an arc in the sky, as it's fading quickly before we see. Here, fading means to become lighter. What is the meaning for fading? To become lighter. Okay. I read these four lines once again. Follow me. Colors in a rainbow arched across the sky, all too quickly fading as they catch the eye. I hope you all understand these four lines. Shall we see the next four lines, children? Have you watched the sunlight when you are at the beach, shining on the water, green gold harmony? In these four lines, the poet says, when the sunlight falls on the water, it glitters like green gold, which brings peace. When the sunlight falls on the water, it glitters like green gold, which brings peace. I read these four lines once again. See all of you. Have you watched the sunlight when you are at the beach, shining on the water, green gold harmony? I hope you all understand this 8 line. That's all for the day. I will catch up you in the next class. Take care, students. Stay home, stay safe. Bye, children.